Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to another video on React Native tutorial. So in today's video we are going to complete our login screen first of all, and then guys we will start creating our new screen, which is create account screen. Okay. Okay guys, so now what we will do after this button component, we will insert one new text, which is create new account. Okay. Okay friends, and this text will be wrapped inside touchable opacity. So when user click on this, it will go to the create new account screen. Okay. Now we will give some styling to this text. First of all, we will give text align. So guys, text align will be right, RIGHT. Okay. So now it will move over here, and I will give this I will also change the color of this text. So I will give it, if I go to button component, we will take the button background text, background color, and we will give this text a color of same as our button color, like this. Okay guys, now we will give some style to our touchable opacity. So we will give some margin top of 3, and I will also give a little bit font weight to my text, 600. Okay, so when user click on this create new account, it will jump to the another screen. One more thing guys, we will do over here is we will give, in our safe area view, we will give status bar, and we will set its background color to same as our button color, like this. Okay friends, so now what we will do, we will create a view after this touchable opacity. Okay. So user can also guys sign in with the Google account also. So first of all, we will create a text over here which say or. Okay. And in this guys, I will provide some styling to this, so pay attention. Okay guys, first of all, I will take a view over here and a view after my text also, and then guys I will style this view to flex direction raw. Okay, so guys, flex direction raw means that whatever inside this view, the all text will come horizontally. Okay. Now guys, what we will do, we will divide our view, that this first view will take 30% of the screen size, this is also take 30% of the screen size, and it will take 40% of the screen size. So guys, what we will do, we will style this view, and I will say flex 0. 0.4, which take 40% of the screen width, and I will copy the same over here like this. Okay. And inside the text guys, first let's complete the view. I will also give this view the height of 1 and background color of black, due to which a line will be appear, as you can see over here. Okay. Now guys, what we will do, we will give these two styling same to the last view, like this. And the main view, in the main view I will give some margin top of 20, so it will take some distance from this also. And guys, what we will do, we will give our text style of flex 0.2. So guys, basically what will happen, like this main view have a width of 100%, and flex 0.4 means that you want to give this view 40% of the width. Now 40%, 40%, 80%, and remaining 20%, 0.2 will come to the text. Now we will say guys, text align center, so it will come at the center. And now these lines are on the top. To align everything in the middle, we will say align items center, so it will come like this. Okay friends, so this is how we created. So I'm like separating my screen that user can sign in using email password also, or here we create one more button, which is you can also sign in with Google. Okay guys, so what we will do, after our this or view, we will take we will copy our button component. Okay, so button component friends, and we will copy it and paste it after this view. Okay, so I will call it sign in with Google. Okay, sign in with Google. Okay, so and guys, one more thing that we do over here, first of all, this login text I will capital all these things, or this is also okay. Okay guys, so now what we will do, we will also update our button component. So as you remember that in our previous video we downloaded an image, the icon of Google. Okay, so if I come to source assets images, then you can see this icon of Google. Okay, so we will update our button component. So guys, if we provide our button component a image, then it will reflect over here, else it will show like this. Okay, so how we can do that? So first of all guys, what we will do, I will say that I will add one more property to my button component, which is icon. And guys, by default the icon will be guys undefined. Okay, so in this view where my text is, I will say style flex direction will be wrong, because I want my icon and the text in a horizontal format. Okay guys, so and I will also say align items center, so everything inside the this view will come in the center. Now we will, if icon is provided, then we will show the icon, else we will not. So how we can do that guys? For this we will use if condition, like icon, if icon equal to or we can say if icon not equal to guys undefined, then we will insert image, then we have to show the image, else guys we will show nothing, so null. Okay, so this is the basic JavaScript. Okay guys, so uh, I hope you are familiar with this JavaScript. So guys, this the condition, if the condition is true, then we will show the image, else we show nothing. So it's a simple logic. And guys, in the image we will say source and require, no, we don't say require, just source, we will place our icon over here. And guys, we will also style our icon so it will not show too much big, so we will say width of 30 and height of 30. Now we will save it. Now guys, as you can see that both buttons are showing nothing in the icons, because it show when only you provide the icon. So I will say icon, and here I will say require. Okay, and inside the require I will provide the path of the image, which is google dot png, which is the name of our icon, guys. And as you can see that icon is shown over here. And one more thing, guys, we will give some styling to our image, like margin right. Okay, margin right will be 10, like this, so it have some spacing. So I think this is looking more good. So this is a touchable, this is also a touchable. Okay guys, so this is the benefit of reusable component. You can also modify it according to your need, and we just use it, write code once and use it in our entire application. Okay guys, so we are done with our login screen. So over here I will change some uh, text like welcome to geo survey. Okay, and I will save it. Okay, so it will come like this, but I will wrap this up inside a string like this, and after login I will say take a new line. Okay, like this. Okay guys, so our login screen is completed. Okay, so now what we will do, we will create a new screen called create account. Okay, so now we will come inside the screens, we will create a new folder, create account. Okay, and we will provide indexed, we will add index.js React Native function, and we will call it create account screen. Okay, now guys, we will save it and we will add this screen in our navigation. So whenever you create any screen, you need to add it inside your navigation. Okay, so I will say create account screen. I will copy this, paste it as a name also, save it. And what we will do, we will come inside our login screen, take the navigation. So guys, your question will be like how navigation is present in each and every screen. So the answer is simple, like if we go to navigation and you see over here, you wrap every screen inside a navigation container. That's why in every screen you can get navigation, this navigation object. And guys, simple, what you can do, we will copy our the name of the screen. Okay, and when our button is pressed, okay guys, so what will happen, like okay, so whenever this button will press, I will navigate it to create new account screen. So guys, first of all we will modify our button also. So there is a one problem over here that the on press function is inside the button also, but we need on press function in our parent, because we have multiple buttons, and this login button will do something else, this button will do something else, but right now our code will only console.log. So we have to like control the behavior of each and every button when it's pressed. So I will guys add on press. So you can add any name of the function that you want, and I will add it as a prop over here. So friends, what will happen, like when I on press my button, it will go to this function and we will receive the trigger inside our parent like this on press. Okay guys, so on press I will fire a empty function, and I will use navigation to navigate to uh, create uh, create account screen. So I will first of all I will copy this and paste it over here. Oh, we have to do it guys, so we have to do this to this text. Okay, so let's come inside the text touchable opacity. I will paste my code over here. So whenever I will press create new account, so it will navigate me to the create account screen. We will save it and we will check. So guys, when I press it, you can check that I am navigating to the create account screen. Okay friends, so now what we will do in the create account screen, I will copy my code from login screen from this heading to this login button. So what I will do, I will take a safe area view. I will copy the whole thing. Okay, copy it, paste it over here, and I just first of all I will import this safe area view. Okay, now I will also import status bar over here, and friends, now I will import text input component over here because we are using it, and text input button component also. Okay, now after that we don't need anything. Okay, so we will remove them. Okay, so these are the only things that we need. Now I will go to the create new account, and I will edit my headings like create new account. Okay friends, so and I will also change the button name. I will say create account. Okay, okay guys, so this is it for the create new account screen. So guys, one more thing I will tell you over here. So as you can see that we are using same code in both our screens. I think this code like save area view, status bar, and this view with the flex one, this will come in each and every screen. So we have to write this code again and again in each and every screen. So why we not create a component of this? Okay, so we don't need to like code it every time. So what we will do friends, I will come inside my component. Okay, and I will create a file over here. You can say it we will call it guys safe area component. Okay, you can call it whatever you want to call, or React Native function, and guys we will need this code inside each and every screen. So I will copy this over here, and I will import safe area view, status bar. Okay, and this view. Okay friends, and I will use this component in my each and every screen. So guys, pay attention to this. So what will happen, like if I take a flower bracket and take children, I will take a children prop. Okay, children prop, and I will place it inside over here. So guys, children is a prop that comes inside each and every screen, each and every, sorry, so the children is a prop that come uh, inside uh, every component that you create. So what will happen guys, what children means that whatever we want to insert inside this view, because guys, let me show you how it works. So first of all, what we will do, I will copy my code from here. Okay, I just cut my code and I remove this also and use the component save area component. So guys, children means whatever you put inside this component will be called the children. Okay, and when I save it and when I will come back over here, you can see that it will behave like as it is. So the children means whatever is inside the save area component will be considered as a children. So our save area component is taking the children and placing it inside our main view. Okay, so I hope you understand, but if you have any confusion you can ask me about this if this is not clear. Now guys, same thing we will do for create account. So now you can see that we solved a problem that we don't need to uh, rewrite our these three lines of code again and again in our each and every screen. So I will, first of all I will cut this, take my save area component, I will put my all views and all the things inside this, save it, and when I go over here, then it will behave like nothing will happen. But on the code side we reduces the same code. Okay, so this is a good approach. And one more thing, that you can create a reusable component of those things which are continuously happening, which are repeating. So whatever the code which is repeating itself, you can create it as a component, reusable component. Okay friends, so this is it guys for today's video. I hope you like it and learn a lot from this video. I want you to practice these things that we learned, so you can get uh, more expertise in creating front end, creating screens in React Native component. And guys, we will keep learning our front end as we go more further in this playlist. Okay, I will tell you more cool things about front end. Okay, and so stay with me to the whole playlist. And if you have any confusion, let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, share my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and have a good day.